हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज निशन। स्वागत आपका हम साई ज्ञान सागर में। तो देखते हैं आज के क्वेश्चन केमिस्ट्री के हमारे क्या है। व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस हेल्प द फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस। कौन सा प्रोसेस है जो हेल्प करता है फर्मेंटेशन के लिए? तो एडिंग एंजाइम मिथाइलेट स्पिरिट इज जो मिथाइलेट स्पिरिट होती है वो इथाइलिन एल्कोहल होता है जिसमें 5% मिथाइलिन एल्कोहल होता है। द मिथाइलोन इज वेयर द नेम ऑफ मिथाइलेट स्पिरिट कम फ्रॉम। दे आर कॉल्ड डी नेचुरेट एल्कोहल, इसे हम डी नेचुरेट एल्कोहल भी कहते हैं। मिथाइलेट स्पिरिट हैज़ 3 केमिकल एडेड, इसमें 3 केमिकल एडेड होते हैं। डिस्करेज ह्यूमन कंजप्शन, मेकिंग ए बैड टेस्टिंग फॉर स्मेलिंग एंड न्यूट्रिटिंग। तो इथाइलिन एल्कोहल 5% मिथाइलिन एल्कोहल। नेक्स्ट है हमारा सॉफ्ट जो सोल्डर होता है अलाउ, किस अलाउ का बना होता है? टीन और लेड का बना होता है। डाइबेसिक एसिड क्या है? डाइबेसिक एसिड एक एसिड है, कंटेन करता है 2 रिप्लेसेबल हाइड्रोजन एटम पर मोल। सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज द डाइबेसिक एसिड बिकॉज इट कंटेन 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम एंड आयन इज एक्वा सोल्यूशन टू बिकम द हाइड्रोजन आयन। तो डायबेसिक एसिड क्या होता है? एक सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड होता है। द एलिमेंट दैट डिस्ट्रॉय मेटेलिकल प्रॉपर्टी कॉपर इज। ऐसा एलिमेंट क्या है जो डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है मेटेलिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉपर इज सल्फर। सल्फर इज नोन एज डिस्ट्रॉय द मेटेलिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कॉपर। सल्फर अटैक कॉपर टू फॉर्म अ ब्लैक स्पॉट ऑफ कॉपर सल्फाइड हैंस इज नोन एज इनिमी ऑफ द कॉपर। जो सल्फर को ही हम इनिमी कहते हैं कॉपर का। Which of the following is a chemical reaction? Combustion of carbon. The element used in lead pencil, carbon graphite. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज ए न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड। जो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड है वो एक न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड है। कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड यूजली ट्रीटेड एज इट इज वाज द न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड बट इन फैक्ट इट इज़ अ वेरी स्लाइटली एसिड। इट डजेंट रिएक्ट विद वाटर but it will be react with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide solution to give a solution of sodium methanoate. The amount of nitrogen present in atmospheric 78%. The molecular weight is equal to mx. Vapor density is 2. Metal of galena is zinc. जो metal है वो galena किसका ओर है? तो ये है लीड का ओर है। DTG डाइक्लोरोडाइफिलीन ट्राइक्लोरोमिथेन इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंसेक्टिसाइड। डाइक्लोरोडिफ्लोनिन ट्राइक्लोरोथीन कॉमनली नोन एज DTT। इट इज़ अ कलरलेस टेस्टलेस ऑलमोस्ट ऑडलेस क्रिस्टलाइन केमिकल कंपाउंड एंड ऑर्गेनोक्लोरिक ओरिजिनली डेवलप्ड एट द इनसाइड ultimately become famous in an environment impact. Rarer gas are monoatomic. The rarer gas are colorless, odorless and tasteless. They are also monoatomic gas, which means that they exist on an individually atom. Helium, neon and argon do not combine with any other atom to form the compound. Iodine with starch give the color which। iodine के साथ अगर हम स्टार्च मिलाते हैं तो ब्लू कलर देता है। ब्लीचिंग पाउडर कंटेन क्लोरीन। जो ब्लीचिंग पाउडर होता है उसमें क्लोरीन होता है। फिजिकल चेंज अल्टर द कंपोजिशन ऑफ सब्सटेंस। अ रिएक्शन विच प्रोड्यूस हीट इज कॉल्ड एक्सोथर्मिक। बोथ आर ट्रू। अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आइडेंटिकली टू हाइड्रोजन न्यूक्लियाई। नहीं, नॉर्मल alpha particle is identically to nuclei the helium 4 atom not hydrogen atom which consists 2 proton and 2 neutron। हीलियम का होता है जिसमें 2 प्रोटॉन 2 न्यूट्रॉन होता है। तो फर्स्ट तो गलत है। नॉर्मल सोल्यूशन कंटेन 1 ग्राम मोलिक्यूल वेट ऑफ द सॉल्यूट पर लीटर। तो सेकंड ट्रू है। अब हमें मैच करना है। मैच में क्या है? हाइपो जो है थायोसल्फेट, जो हाइपो होता है वो थाइपोसल्फेट होता है। क्वार्जिज सिलिका होता है। ब्यूरिन इज द सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड बॉक्साइड इज द एल्यूमिनियम ओर। नेक्स्ट है हमारा यूरेनियम। यूरेनियम एक रेडियो एक्टिव है। ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल में होता है। मरकरी स्टील जो होता है, स्टील क्या है? स्टील मरकरी जो है एक लिक्विड मेटल है और स्टील क्या है? एक अलाउ है। नेक्स्ट क्या है? द वाटर दैट डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस गुड लेदर विद सोपर इज कॉल्ड हार्ड वाटर। कौन सा वाटर है जो प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता है गुड लेदर विद सोप? तो हार्ड वाटर है। विच ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेरिक गैस इन हाईएस्ट इन परसेंटेज? नाइट्रोजन। गैस यूज टू हार्डन ऑयल इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एडिबल हाइड्रोजन वेजिटेबल घी? हाइड्रोजन। द टर्म PVC यूज इन अ प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री स्टैंड फॉर पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड। द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज कैल्विनिक स्केल इज 273 डिग्री केल्विन। For degreeing purpose, water can be purified chlorination. You can purify water by treating with a chemical either chlorine or iodine. You can also be filtration ultraviolet light. Another simple way to boil the water. All these methods effective provided they are done properly. द हार्डेस्ट वेराइटी ऑफ कार्बन इज डायमंड. जो हार्डेस्ट वेराइटी है कार्बन की वो क्या कहलाती है? डायमंड कहलाती है. द पॉइजनस गैस प्रोड्यूस बाय अ मोटर कार. जो मोटर पॉइजनस गैस कौन सी प्रोड्यूस करती है मोटर कार? तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. वट इज द लीड ऑफ लीड पेंसिल मेड बाय ग्रेफाइट. द टेंडेंसी ऑफ सिमिलर मॉलिक्यूल टू स्टिक टुगेदर इज नोन एज कोहरिजन. द टेंडेंसी ऑफ सिमिलर मॉलिक्यूल टू स्टिक टुगेदर इज नोन एज कोहरिजन. Cohesion is the property of like molecules to same substance to stick each other mutually attraction. Adhesion is the property of different molecules to surface of clinging to each other. Hydrogen bomb is on the principle of nuclear fusion. Hydrogen bomb, nuclear fusion, fusion. Estimation of nitrogen is done by Khilali's method. Khilali method. The Khilali method is the analytical chemist is the method of quantitative determination of the nitrogen contained in organic substance plus nitrogen contained in the inorganic component. 90% alcohol is known as rectified spirit. 90% जो alcohol होती है उसे कहा जाता है rectified spirit. Everclear is the brand name of the rectified spirit known as the grain alcohol and neutral spirit producing the American company Loxo. Form is it is a bleaching action of the chlorine is oxidation. Bleaching action of chlorine is oxidation. Chlorine bleaches by the process of oxidation. It need to moisture for its bleaching action. Chlorine react with the water to form a hydrochloric and hydrochloric acid. Hypochlorous acid is unstable and it easily dissociated to form a Nescott oxygen. Match the things. Dolomite is the ore of magnesium. Dolomite is the ore of magnesium, calcium, and sulfurite is the ore of zinc. Sulfurite is the ore of zinc. Malachite is the ore of copper, and chlorite is the ore of the lead. Unacademy. Not is a correct match. Natural fiber trilene, natural rubber tricholine, synthetic rubber nylon, synthetic detergent सोप. ये गलत है हमारा. नेक्स्ट मैच द थिंग्स प्रॉपरली. ब्रास जो है हमारा brass is a copper and zinc. Bronze is the copper plus tin 2%. Solder is the copper and nickel. Solder is the tin, lead and bismuth. C का 4. और invehend is the copper and nickel. The metal present in hemoglobin is iron. The metal present in the hemoglobin is the iron. Stainless is the alloy of the iron, chromium and nickel. Stainless is the alloy of the iron. Stainless alloy is the alloy of the iron, chromium and nickel. Allow the adding the element such as chromium, nickel, silicon and magnesium, nitrogen and carbon. Trilene is the polyester of ethylene glycol and sulfuric acid. Which of the hormone contain iodine? Which कौन सा हार्मोन कंटेन करता है आयोडीन? तो थायरोक्सिन. T4 and T3 होता है जिसके अंदर. हाफ लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ एनी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज अ कांस्टेंट. हाफ लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ एनी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज अ कांस्टेंट. Half life period of the first order reaction, since K is the constant for a given reaction at a given temperature and the expression lack any concentration term, so the equation 3 is evidence that half time of the first order reaction is a constant independent of initial concentration of reactant. Emission of which one of the following leave both atomic number and mass number is unchanged? Gamma ray. Emission of the following leave atomic number and mass number unchanged, तो gamma rays. Which of the following salt will show acidic character with the dissolvable in water? Ammonium chloride. Two of the most common element in earth crust would be including silica and oxygen. Oxygen, silica and aluminum are the three most common element in the earth crust. Oxygen, silicon and aluminum are the three most common element in the earth crust. Match the things. तो ग्लास जो होता है हमारा सिलिका से बना होता है सोप जो है हमारा फैट एंड कॉस्टिक एल्कलाइन है। पेपर जो रहता है हमारा सेलुलोज फाइबर गिलेटिन और सीमेंट सिलिकेट एंड कैल्शियम एंड एल्यूमिनियम। डायमंड इज अ केमिकल प्योर कार्बन। Physical property of metal is not correct, not metabolic, not correct. All metal are solid except mercury, बिल्कुल सही. Most of the metal are hard except sodium, potassium, बिल्कुल correct. Most of the element are ductless, most are not metabolic, तो ये गलत है. Next question, and formaldehyd, phenol and formaldehyd. Next question है हमारा, which is not correct, metal are not metabolic. Diamond is a chemical of pure carbon. Which of the carbohydrate is used in silvering? Which of the carbohydrate is used to silvering the mirror? Glucose. Which of the hydrocarbon is used to silvering glucose? The carbohydrate used for silvering of mirror is glucose. Glucose is the type of sugar to get from food you eat and a body of use for the energy. The meaning of TFM written on a soap cover is, जो TFM लिखा होता है सोप कवर पर, उसका मतलब क्या है? टोटल फैटी मैटर indicate the density. The TFM will be mentioned on the packet of the soap, otherwise you can be estimated chemically. Dissolve the soap in alcohol, all the fatty matter will be dissolved. Then you can remove the alcohol, find out the weight of the percentage of fatty matter. अल्फ़ा रे कैरी 2 यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. अल्फ़ा जो रे होता है वो 2 यूनिट ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कैरी करता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंजाइम ब्रिंग अबाउट द हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ कैन शुगर टू ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज इन्वर्टेसिस. मेंशन द केमिकल विच इज ए फूड प्रेजेंट. सोडियम बेंजेट. विच ऑफ द हैवीएस्ट मेटल? ओसमियम. मरकरी, आयरन, निकल. तो ओसियम इज द हैवीएस्ट मेटल ऑन द अर्थ. विंग ट्वाइस मच लीड पर teaspoon. Osmium is a chemical element in the platinum group metal. It is often used to allow the electrical contact and fountain pen nips. Allow to electrical contact and fountain pen nips. The element named after the sun is. The element named after the sun is helium. Helium derived from the name of Greek god of the sun, Helios. The valency of phosphorus in PCl3 is 3. The valency of phosphorus PCl3 is 3, PL4 5 because d orbit inner pair effect. Which of the statement is correct? Mass of the electron minus mass of the proton. Acid rain consists N2O plus S2O. Stainless steel is the alloy of the iron, chromium and nickel. Power alcohol is the mixture of ethyl alcohol and petroleum. Power alcohol is the mixture of ethyl alcohol and petroleum, 2:80 ratio. An element common is a base and bronze is copper. Brass is an alloy of the copper and zinc. Bronze is the metal alloy consisting primarily of the copper, usually with the tin as the main additive, but sometimes with the other elements such as the phosphor, magnesium, aluminum or silica. Which of the following balance source of the plant nutrition? NP की nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Micronutrients are iron, boron, chlorine, magnesium, zinc, copper, molybdenum and nickel. Cotton is bleached by the chlorine. The process of whitening fiber or fabric or the differing a color material. This is about using various bleaching agent. Generally, chlorine is used to cotton, other vegetable fibers and peroxide and sulfur oxide of animal fiber. Sand is the oxide of the silicon. SiO2. Pure gold is a 24 karat gold. A purity of gold is defined as either in a carats and finance. A carat is a 1/24 part of the pure gold by the weight. 24 karat gold is a pure water. Match the following. Glass is sodium silicate. Molasses is the sugarcane. Matchstick is the phosphorus. Quinine is the cinona. Acetylsalicylic acid is a pure pain reliever. Acetylene cyclate used in acid is used in a pain reliever. Acetylsalicylic is used to pain reliever, fever, inflammation, various conditions such as a lower back, neck pain, the flu, common cold, burn, menstruation pain, headache, migration, osteo are the dental procedure also. The important ingredient present in a coffee, caffeine. Which is the sweetest sugar? Fructose. Permanent hardness of the water is due to the presence of chloride, nitrate and sulfide, calcium in the magnesium. The gas used in artificially ripening of the green fruit is ethylene. Which of the following metal polluted the air city having automobiles? Cadmium. Metal polluted the air by city. Which of the following metal polluted the air by city having automobile? Cadmium. The pH of neutral solution is 7. The hydrogen chloride gas is an covalent bond compound. Which of the following iron allows cracked easily? Cast iron. Iron allow cracks easily. Cast iron. The isomer of glucose is fructose. The isomer of the glucose is fructose. The temperate steel is making of chisel. Temperate steel is used to making chisel. The chemical used in a match industry is red phosphorus. The chemically used matchstick industry is red phosphorus. The hydrogen was discovered by Cavendish. The hydrogen was discovered by Cavendish. Nitric acid is manufactured by the Oswald process. Nitric acid is manufactured by Oswald process. Ozone is an allotrope of oxygen. Basic principle of the hydrogen bomb is a nuclear fusion. The charge of the proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The isotope chlorine or chlorine 35. All of these the same number of electron, the same number of proton, the different number of neutron, all of these. pH of the water is 7. The side of the matchbox contain red sulfur. The acid which is etching glass is hydrochloric acid. The acid which is etches glass is etched by the hydrochloric acid or in a hydrochloric acid gas. The gaseous acid has the property of producing a surface with resemble ground glass's appearance. The liquid acid producing clean hydrofluoric acid. Helium is preferred to hydrogen in airship because it does not for explosive mixture with air. Which of the following are the smell of the garlic? White phosphorus. Which of the following has the smell of the garlic? White phosphorus. A common nitrogenous fertilizer is urea. A common nitrogenous fertilizer is urea. Which element is a metalloid in the following? Arsenic. Highest ionization energy are found in helium. क्या आप competitive exams? The bond present in acetylene are 2pi3 on the bond is present acetylene 2pi3 bond. When methylene orange is added to hydrochloric acid is taken color red. The most abundant found gas in atmosphere nitrogen. The most abundant gas found in atmosphere nitrogen. Spirit is a ethylene alcohol. Among the fertilizer is ammonium sulfate. In the modern periodic table, elements are classified on the basis of atomic number. Why is a tungsten used in electric bulb? It is a high melting point. टंगस्टन को क्यों यूज़ करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल बल्ब में? इट इज़ अ हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. राडोन इज द इंसर्ट गैस. The element that show the maximum catenization is carbon. The covalent solid dash occupy the lactic position atom. The covalent solid atom occupy the lattice position. Emission of the beta particles. Emission of the beta particle from an atom increase the number of proton in the atom. Increase the number of photon in the atom. An atom has a 7 electron in an M shell and containing 18 neutron in nucleus. What is the mass number? 35. What is the blackboard chalk made by the calcium carbonate? What is the blackboard chalk made by the calcium carbonate? The substance is not polymer is glucose. So the substance which is not polymer nylon glucose for the starch but glucose का नहीं होता. The main active ingredient of tea and caffeine. Riboflavin is a vitamin B2. Riboflavin is a vitamin. The vitamin responsible for blood clotting K. The most abundantly found metal in the human body, calcium. The most abundant found metal in the human body, calcium. Steel contains 0.1 to 2% carbon. Morphine is an example as an stimulant. Air contains what percentage of oxygen? 21. An atom of iron is 238 times as heavy as the atom of hydrogen. Which of the gas emitted from road vehicle causing carbon monoxide? Avogadro law is applicable to gases. Temporary hardness of the water due to the bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. An element with atomic number 7 will contain 7 electron and 7 proton. Paracetamol is analgesic. Chemical equilibrium is noted in the reaction of reversible. Hypo used in the photography is a sodium disulfate, which will explode on detonation of the tri-state sodium.
Finally, मेरी स्किन साफ, बेदाग और हेल्दी.
In the fact, the functional group is a ester. In the fat, the functional group is a ester. Which of the highest fuel in the value fat? PVC is a synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer are the human-made polymer from utility point of view. They can be classified into three categories: thermoplastic, elastomer, and synthetic fiber. They are found in a common in a variety of consumer products such as honey, glue, and familiar household. The synthetic polymer including nylon in textile and fabric, Teflon is a non-stick pan, backlight, or the electrical switches. Polyvinyl chloride is the pipes.